Affordable, corded keyboard featuring slim design and full numeric keypad. Low profile, advanced tactile keys for quiet, comfortable typing. Adjustable tilt legs for added comfort. Simple, plug-and-play USB corded connection, PC, Mac and Chrome OS compatible. Verbatim has been a leader in data storage technology since 1969, and guarantees this product with a 1-year limited warranty and technical support. Top reviews from the United States. I needed a new keyboard after Clumsy Me gave mine a coffee shower. I have always trusted Verbatim products, so I ordered this one even though it was a wired keyboard and my dying one was wireless. Since I never work away from my desk, a wireless one wasn't a necessity, and this one was selling at an irresistible price. Another big selling point for me was its compact size because I work in a very limited space. I also like the fact that this keyboard has power, sleep, and wake-up keys, which I find very helpful since my computer is in a rather hard-to-reach location. This is a keyboard that I would recommend to anyone looking for a new keyboard.